guys, welcome. This is Leena and it's Raksha Bandhan, it's Rakhi, and I love dressing up for all festivals, you guys know that. So I thought today let's do a Rakhi look, and this is the kurta that I'm planning to wear. So it's a very simple kurta. So I thought, let's, make our eyeshadow, pop a little, then we wear some earrings and glam it all up. So let's start this tutorial now. So first things first, you have to moisturize your face. I've already done that. Next step is I'm going to start with my foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to use is going to be a really simple one because we are going for the simple look and we're going to make our eyes pop a little. So the foundation that I'm going to use today is by Fenty Beauty. So this is the foundation. The shade is 240. I'm just going to take my foundation, which is this, 2 pumps. That's it. Make sure you shake your foundation every time before you use it. Very important. So I'm going to use my fingers today because I've been seeing these tutorials where they just use their fingers and apply their foundation, and it sits so well. So I used to do that before. You've seen my previous videos where I used to just use my hands and just apply the foundation. I've stopped doing that. I don't know why, but I think I should continue. So that's what I'm doing because this is just simple glam. So I don't have to build up the foundation too much. So I'm just going to use my finger and just apply the foundation. So this is how I'm applying it. Guys, I've applied my foundation and see, it looks so good and it's so easy to just apply with your hand. It looks like very skin-like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my concealer only on the area where I have blemishes because I'm going to do my under eyes after I apply my foundation, my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take my favorite Huda Beauty concealer here. So my concealer is here. I'm just going to apply it only on my blemishes. We'll do under eyes later. Just with my fingers, tap tap. And we let it like just stay for a bit. And then maybe apply a little bit of powder on top of this. As I told you, under eyes, I'm going to do it after I apply my eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills and it has these beautiful shades. So I'm going to take like the lightest shade, which is this. I'm going to apply it on my eyes. I'm going to take this pencil by Makeup Revolution. It has all these colors here, so I'm going to take the green one. Green shade. And let's just start with the outer corner. gonna brighten my inner corner. My brow bone. Now I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick. It's the Miss Claire lipstick. And the shade is 47. So makeup done, let me just wear some jewelry, put bindi and come back. So that's it guys, this is my complete look. I have these big earrings, put bindi, and this is what my Rakhi look is. I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.